What is Xero? In this video, I will give a brief overview of Xero and some of its most popular features. Xero is an online accounting platform built specifically for small businesses. Let's start by jumping into a demo environment to get a better feel for what Xero looks like and walk through some of its top features. When you log into Xero, the first thing that you'll see is your dashboard. Here on your dashboard, we will have several different tiles. I will walk through each briefly. Xero automatically creates a tile for any bank account or credit card that you have set up in the system. In this demo company, I have a checking account and a savings account created. These tiles give you a quick snapshot of each account. Here, under the checking account, we can see that we have 29 items to reconcile. We will also see the balance in Xero and the balance per the bank. Typically, these two amounts will match when all transactions have been reconciled. If we click the menu in this tile, we will get additional options to find bank transactions, enter new bank transactions, and reconcile transactions and statements. Below the bank and credit card tiles, you will see a tile for total cash in and out. This is a helpful infographic to show you your total cash in and out by month. Back up top, we have the Account Watch List tile. This tile allows you to quickly view balances for important or frequently used accounts. By clicking the tile menu, you will have the option to edit which accounts show up in this list. You can also edit your budgets and select the option to show budgeted amounts on the tile. Moving down, you will have a tile for invoices owed to you. This is a snapshot of customer invoices, including any draft invoices not yet sent, invoices awaiting payment, and invoices that are overdue. You'll also have a shortcut button to create new customer invoices. Right below the customer invoice tile is the vendor bills tile. Similarly, this tile gives an overview of vendor bills that are in draft status, awaiting payment, and overdue. Here too you have a shortcut button to create a new bill. Finally, you will also have a tile for expense claims. These are employee expense reports that are either in draft, awaiting review, or awaiting payment. If we go back towards the top of the screen, you will see an option for Edit Dashboard. If you click this button, you will be able to drag around and move these tiles however you desire. You can also choose to not show specific tiles by deselecting the Show option on a specific tile and then selecting Save Changes. Now let's take a look at the main menu. To access the main menu, click your company name in the upper left-hand corner of this screen. Here I will point out a few of the options. The first option is Change Organization. This option is available if you have multiple companies set up within Xero and can be used to switch which organization you are working in. A little bit lower down, you have the option for Files. This allows you to upload and store electronic files within Xero. Under Files are your settings. The settings allow you to enter your organization details, add users, and configure Xero as you desire. Below Settings, you will see a section called Do More with Xero. Depending on your subscription, you may need to upgrade or pay additional for some of the features in this section. There are two options in this section that I would like to point out. One menu option here is HubDoc. HubDoc is a really neat tool that allows you to email, scan, or upload electronic files such as receipts, vendor bills, and bank statements. HubDoc is then able to extract and capture the data from the electronic documents to be used to create vendor bills, expense receipts, or bank statement imports. This ensures source documents are attached to your transactions and saves you time from manually inputting this data. Best of all, HubDoc is completely free with any Xero subscription. The other menu option I would like to point out is the App Store. Here you will see over 1,000 third-party applications that can be connected with Xero. Now let's quickly go through the top menu tabs in Xero. The first tab is the Dashboard tab, which will always bring you back to your main dashboard. The next tab, the Business tab, has 4 main sections. The first section is Analytics, which provides charts, graphs, and ratios for short-term cash flow forecasting and overall business performance. The next section is for customer invoicing, which includes invoices, quotes, and a sales overview. Below that, there is a similar section for vendor bills, where you can enter vendor bills, purchase orders, and also see a purchase overview. Finally, there is a miscellaneous business activity section where you can enter employee expenses, add products and services, and also print checks. The next menu tab is Accounting. The Accounting menu has 3 options, as well as sections for favorite reports and favorite advanced features. The first menu option under Accounting is Bank Accounts. This brings up your bank and credit card accounts with a separate tile for each account. This is very similar to the dashboard tiles and gives you the same options to enter and reconcile bank transactions. The next menu option is Reports. This shows all standard Xero reports available. You are also able to save reports as favorites by clicking the star next to the report name. This adds the report to the top of the Reports page and also adds to your Accounting tab menu. Finally, we have the Advanced Accounting menu option. This brings up a list of advanced accounting features and settings. These features and settings can be saved as favorites, similar to the reports, by clicking the star next to the feature or setting. This will add it to your Accounting tab menu. As we move along, you will see the Projects tab. This is not included in all Xero plans, but if purchased, it allows you to create projects and track time and expenses to those projects. You can also create customer invoices from those created projects. The final tab in Xero is Contacts. Here you can manage all your customer and vendor contacts. You can also create contact groups for better tracking and management. This concludes our video. Hopefully this brief overview has provided valuable information to better understand what Xero is and what features Xero provides. We will be releasing more videos providing more in-depth looks at Xero features as well as tips and tricks. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe to the channel.